Okay, so we got everything out of the package now, the box. We got it all laid on the table here. And so we have several parts here that we started assembling so we can get ready to hang the ceiling fan. There's different size extension poles, of course, for whatever height you want to use for your ceiling fan. We took the shorter one is what we used. So we already put it on here. The parts we had to put on is this and this. We had to feed the wire through all this stuff here, and then the wiring comes out at the top like this. So this is what you see now, all these parts. And so the wire harness has got the remote control. And so basically you hook the blue with blue, white with white, gray with gray, red with red, and pink with pink. And so your harness assembly is all ready to go to be assembled onto the ceiling mount. So we're getting ready to do that now. All right, so now we assembled it on the mounting bracket here. There's a little notch there. When you get up here, you just kind of roll it around till it falls in that little notch. And so now it's secure, it ain't gonna fall out. And so here's your apparatus wiring. So as you can see, we have our live wires here. Again, if you're not comfortable with doing your own wiring, I would recommend a licensed electrician to come in and do all the wiring for you. But we're going to do it ourselves. So basically this will slide up inside there. All the wires will be tucked up inside the canister here, and then we'll mount that. And then we'll be ready to go to put the ceiling fans on and the blades and the lighting. Okay, so as you can see, we got the main part of the ceiling fan mounted, the wiring done. We've taken the time to install the 3 blades. And basically there's 6 screws there that you would mount those to. And so then that's secure. So the next step would be the lighting part of it, which is the light. So if you see this, there's 3 pieces. There's this piece, which is the LED lighting. The other piece that goes up there to match that. And then there's a lens that covers the lighting once you're done. This is magnetized. So once you put it in here like this, you put it down, it holds itself there. There's a set of screws in there. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna line that up like that. And so 3 holes are there. And so the screws are up here. We're gonna take those and remove them because they're in there yet. So we'll remove these screws and we'll mount the fixture. Okay, so we got this mounted on here now with the 3 screws. We put our LED lighting up inside there and plugged it into the apparatus is right there, so it's all plugged in. So we have the cover left, so all we have to do is put it up here like this, find it till we get the notches and turn it, rotate it one way, and it locks it in place. And we're ready to power it up and see if it works. Okay, once you get the power on, you can turn the switch on. You have a remote control that comes. It's got a place right here that says light. If I just want the light on, you can turn the light on. If you want a different color lighting, you just turn it off, turn it back on, and toggle it. It will change the lighting. So there's 3 features of lights that you can choose from. And then when you want your fan on, you hit the fan on. So fan off and on is right here in the middle. You choose from 1 to 6 on your settings of speed, and you can change it by just hitting the button here and going with that. And it's got other features here at the bottom too. You can have it on for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. You can reverse the fan. You can go forward the fan. So they have many options here that you can use. Again, here's the button you turn off. Turns the fan off. Thanks for joining us while we install the fan.